Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I am Discover Bombi, and Bombi. And for today's video, we decided Hello mga kaboom! Welcome to my channel and this is Discover Bombi. And for today's video, my cousin and I decided to prepare our merienda or afternoon snacks. So, I'm with Kayla to prepare our merienda.
Hi! Hello! Mabuhay!
Follow her in her social media accounts. Ipopost ko sa description below, okay? So, we prepared our ingredients to make our
pancake.
Yes, pancake. Magluluto kami ng pancake.
Hindi to sponsored ba? Baka naman.
This is not a sponsored video, so we will be using the original hotcake mix, Maya,
Baka naman.
Fluffy and tasty. So gamit namin tong pre-mix na hotcake mix kasi nandito na lahat. Wala na kaming gagawin kundi konting ingredients na lang yung halo dito. It's easy to prepare as ABC and as exciting as 1, 2, 3. Mega ganon! So, Kayla, ano ba yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin ihalo dito sa mixture?
First of all, we need egg. One egg only.
Yes, 1 medium-sized egg. Cheese.
Oil.
Sabi dito 2 tablespoons of oil. So we use this tablespoon to measure the oil. Okay. Next ingredient, water. Ayan. It's 3/4 cup of water, or kung wala kayong measuring cup, siya po ay equivalent to 12 tablespoons.
Now you know.
Yes. Or 6 ounces of water. Ganun.
Water.
And then, another ingredient, hindi rin sponsor. Ano to, Kayla?
Honey. Harvested from Mount Banahaw. Cuisine de rice. Baka naman.
Ito po ay mabibili nyo online. I-search nyo lang sa Facebook page, Discover Bombi Store. Kami po yung may-ari nito. Okay? Mag-endorse! Okay, and then, we need mixing bowl. And, of course, mixing wire whisk. Mixing wire whisk! Ayan. Any napangalo. Pwede nyo gamitin. Okay, so, let's begin. Let's mix the ingredients. Sa mga gagaya sa amin, meron po ditong instructions here at the back. You can see the instructions here. Lagay natin yung pancake mix sa bowl. Kailangan po natin ilagay lahat because we need 250 grams of pancake mix. And these 2 bags consist of 250 grams. So kami po ay nagkamali. Yan yung talaga ang buhay, nagkakamali. Dalawang box yung nasa loob ng box. Yung isang pack is 250 grams. So, ang gagamitin na natin is 250 grams. Yung isa, reserve natin. Pwedeng bukas or sa susunod na araw. Ganun. So, nilagay na namin dito sa bowl. And then, we will mix the other ingredients. The egg. Oil. And then the water. I-mix nyo lang siya continuously but not overmix. Okay? Pakita mo sa kanang Kayla yung itsura ng musa. Ipo-post ko ako. Ayan. Continuously lang yung pag-mix. Ayan, so after natin i-mix lahat ng ingredients and sinama namin yung cheese na chinap-chop, pwede na siyang lutuin. And itong pure wild honey, after natin siyang maluto, tsaka natin ilalagay itong pure wild honey. Okay? So, tara na, i-bake na natin siya.
Yum, yum, yum. Sarap.
Sabi mo, sarap.
Sarap.
Ayun nga, tapos na kaming kumain nung aming ginawang pancake and napakasarap. Lalo na yung nilagyan namin ng honey. Pure wild honey. Ang sarap nung blend ng lasa. Talagang sakto sa tag-ulan since yun nga, may bagong Ulysses ngayon. Watching, please do subscribe, like, share, and push the notification bell para updated po kayo sa aking mga videos exclusively.